Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sanjay. Today we are speak about for interesting topic. What is the interesting topic? Yeah, I will say today for Dopamine Reset Series 2. Today topic is real scrolling control. The most person today's world more using for mobile. That mobile, the first addiction is for real scrolling. That scrolling is important. Yeah, of course. For some kind of relaxation will become. Uh, that's all great. And the side effect will be more coming. That will be discussed for this topic. It's okay. Why more people to addicted for a screen scrolling? So I will say for a uh, first is screen reels and shorts you will scroll for a short content. So you will get a reward for dopamine chemical to for a instant time. So that is a problem. So dopamine is a you will complete a long time goal to give the reward. You will suddenly finish shots to come for a reward. Is not danger. That is a motivator and appreciating award. So this way to appreciate is bad. And then you will unwanted skip. I will say for you will go to for a instant skipping scale slip for a each video for your mind will be overloaded. So that way too I will say your mind will be get for a some kind of pleasures, the easy pleasures you will give for a easy pleasure, the long term pleasure you cannot forgive your pride. So that is a main problem. It's okay, that is a main addiction, the instant way to coming dopamine. So this is your only for a chemical reaction for your brain. It's okay, it's okay. I will say for a signs of yeah you will addicted or not, real scrolling addicted or not. The first, you will go to 10 minutes after you will spend for 1 hour to scrolling. Yeah, that is your addiction will become for your life. And you were scrolling for reels and important work to delay, and the important work skip to you will sit down to scrolling. So that is all. And sudden time, unusage time, you will go to see your mobile, and any notification you will suddenly go to see what is message. So that is always come for a addiction. It's okay. This addiction will be great. It's okay. How to normalize, I will say. And that reward will be come. That's for your pleasure to for your body. And I will say for a hidden. What is a hidden range of your addiction level? You will reduce your focus. You will go to the 1 minute race. You will 5 minutes to you will see for you lots of content. So your brain will be very struggled to overloading for very suffocated to feel for your brain will be very collapsed and the unclean stage. The clean wave and the unclean wave, some kind of noise will be occurred. That time you are cannot hear to clear voice. Yeah, that way to I will see. It's okay, it's okay. All done. Not only and not only say for a power and focus is distraction. You cannot do for a one time to uh, one simultaneous work. Every second you will go to distract. Yeah, the dopamine will be triggered for you. The you will same concept will be work. You will go to scrolling your mobile 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yeah, it's okay. The 1 minute to you will go to the another content. So that way too you will go to any work do the 1 minute, 2 minutes. That will be very bored. You will go to do another thing. So that way too your mind will be triggered for dopamine way. So instant pleasure is not for worth for your life. The long term pressure is a best way to improve for your life. It's okay. All done, all done, all done. How to uh, normal and scrolling reels normalize. Yeah, that way too I will say you will morely reducing for your mobile and set the time. I will 30 to 1 hour one day. I will only use for reels scrolling for mobile. So that way too you will go to set the time and sleeping before after 1 hour you cannot use mobile. That way too you will definitely into and you will go to do boring things, walking, reading, writing, and mainly I will say for a 1 week 1 day without phone, to without not only phone, without digital things, to you will spend your life. So the main is the long term action is very important. The short term goal, the short term pleasure, not for your life into. The long term pleasure will be into. You will go to get a 1 hour reading. Yeah, the more vocabularies. Brain will be new learning that way to uh, kindly request for and avoid for mainly short videos. You will go to long videos and mainly avoiding short videos. The more dopamine will be secreted and after 2 or 3 hours you will go to get tired, cannot do any work. You will say I will steady, I will very bored, I will go to scroll. So that is a problem. The scroll is more stress will be occurred for your brain. So a relaxation is you will go walk. That way that is a important. It's okay, all done. So how to build your focus? I will say already you will go to do more things, not only more things. Spending a more hours only one task. Yeah, you will take any one task. You will go to do long hours. So that way too you will improve. It's okay. The scrolling reels that way that is all great. That I will say for your funny moment, you will go to use your mobile automatically. Your uh, thumbing it will be automatically move that. That isn't making problem. You will uh, understand to use your mobile. It's okay. Today topic is over. If you like this video, subscribe this channel.